Right, so you've gone to send a text and Samsung Messages just isn't there anymore. As of the 6th of July 2026, it's gone for good. Don't worry though. This is the easy switch over to Google Messages. It's free, your old texts stay right where they are, and the whole thing takes about 5 minutes. Stick with me and I'll show you every tab. Here's what we're aiming for, that dull grey text turning into a proper modern chat. So what's this RCS thing everyone keeps going on about? It's just texting brought up to date. Same app, better chats. See that grey bubble you're used to? With RCS it turns blue, and that's the clever bit switched on. You get the typing dots so you know they're writing back, and red receipts so you can see when your messages have been read. No more sitting wondering. Your photos and videos send full size and sharp. None of that tiny blurry stuff. And it's all free over your Wi-Fi or your data. Right, so step 1. Let's make Google Messages your texting app. If it's not on your phone already, go to the Play Store and get it. It's free, then open it up. The first time you open it up, it asks to be your default. You'll see this box here. Tap Set as Default over on the right. And that's the hard bit done. If it doesn't ask you, no problem. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Default Apps, then SMS app, and pick Google Messages from the list. Now, I know what you're thinking. Will I lose all my old texts? No, not one of them. Switching over doesn't delete anything. Your whole history, your photos, your group chats, they all come with you. When you first open it, it asks for a couple of permissions. One for your texts, one for your contacts. That's normal. Just tap Allow both times and you're set. Step 2, and this is the one that turns it all on. We're switching on the chat features. Up in the top right corner, tap your profile picture, then tap Message, Settings, and then RCS Chats. You'll see a toggle that says Turn on RCS Chats. Tap it so it goes blue. On some phones, it's called Chat Features instead. It's the exact same thing, so don't let that throw you. Take your time, there's no rush, and nothing you tap here can break anything. Once that toggle's blue, your chat features are on. Okay, so we're nearly there. Just one quick check to do. On the same screen, tap Verify your number. Google sends you a quiet text just to make sure it's really you. You don't have to do anything with it. Then keep an eye on the status. It'll say connecting for a minute, and then there it is, connected. That green connected is the word you're looking for. If it ever says trouble connecting, just check your Wi-Fi and try again. Right, let's take a breath and see where we are. You've made Google Messages your default. You've switched on the RCS chat features, and your number's verified and says connected. That's the main job done. Everything after this is just the nice extras. Now, the important bit, keeping the scammers away from you. In your message settings, open spam protection and switch on enable spam protection. Now, Google keeps an eye out and warns you about dodgy texts, but you're the best protection there is, so remember these 3. Don't tap links in a text you weren't expecting. Dodgy one often has odd spelling, or it tries to rush you into clicking something fast. Your bank and the delivery companies, they'll never ask you for your details by text ever. And if you're ever not sure, do nothing and just ask someone you trust. There's no rush on you. Right, so the fun bit, what you actually get out of all this every day. You get those typing dots so you can see when someone's writing back. You get red receipts so you know the minute your message is being read. You can tap a heart or a thumbs up on a message. That's what they call a reaction. And your photos and videos send full size, nice and clear. Just remember the other person needs RCS too, and if they don't have it, your text still goes as a normal one, so nobody misses out. This is the stuff that makes it feel modern. Here's a nice bonus one, new for 2026. You can give your chats your own colour. Open any conversation and tap the 3 dots in the top corner, then tap Chat Theme. And now you can pick a colour or even a wallpaper, whatever you like. This one's still rolling out, so on your phone it might sit in a slightly different spot. Don't worry if it looks a bit different. And that's you sorted. You're on RCS now. You made Google Messages your default, turned on the chat features, verified your number, and switched on spam protection. Not bad at all. And if you change your mind, you can just turn it back off in the same place. RCS chats, simple as that.